In primetime news this evening, entertainer Elephant Man in home quarantine.
Falsely declaring travel information makes you a weak fence.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness warns of more cases, even as he blasts persons for not following safety protocols. And attorney calls for island-wide curfew to contain COVID-19 spread.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. Do not panic. The Jamaica Stock Exchange is urging investors to stay calm amid COVID-19 disruptions in the market. I'll have the details later on in the business day.
All right, thanks, Vashon. From Vashon, we go to Karen at the sports desk. She'll tell us what's coming up. Karen?
Well, Herman, like every sporting event the world over, local horse racing has been scampering to try and maintain its calendar. We have the latest developments later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do you support the call for an island-wide curfew to curtail the spread of the coronavirus?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.